Hello, this is Ambili Menon and today we'll be doing some hip openers. To start with, we are doing butterfly pose or Badha Konasana, in which the thighs are being flapped to the ground. Take care that you are not bending your back, you are sitting upright and the thighs are held firmly to the ground while flapping. Now we'll do some forward bends in Badha Konasana. Inhale, try to touch your toes. Exhale, come back. Inhale, touch your toes. Exhale, come back. Inhale and exhale. Now we are doing Oblah Circles, which is an excellent hip opener. We are repeating in both clockwise and anti-clockwise pattern. 3 to 5 circles in each direction. The next asana is Bharmanasana, wherein we are standing at a tabletop position and doing clockwise circling with your knees. Repeat in anti-clockwise pattern too. Try to make proper circles with your knees, maintaining the tabletop position. Relax. Now repeat with the other leg. Come in tabletop and start knee circling in the clockwise pattern. It's a good hip opener exercise. Do 5 to 10 circles in clockwise and anti-clockwise pattern each. Excellent hip opener. Relax. Now we are doing warrior pose 2, Veerbhadrasana, with the right leg bent and left leg stretched with both the arms raised. Hold it for 5 to 10 breaths. Now repeat on the other side. Stretch and maintain. Take care that the front knee is pressed backwards so that the hip stretching is to its maximum. Relax. Next, we'll be doing goddess pose or Utkata Konasana. Maintain the asana. Relax. Repeat. Hold it for 3 to 4 breaths. Relax. Inhale. Hold for 3 to 4 breaths. Exhale. Try to keep the thighs in a single line and push the pelvis down. Inhale, maintain and exhale. The next hip opener is yoga squat, Malasana. Push the knees behind with both your elbows and press the pelvis maximum towards the ground. Inhale. The same asana is shown in a different angle. The pelvis is pushed downwards and the knees are pressed backward with the elbows. Repeating the same asana in a different angle. Inhale, hold for 5 to 10 breaths and exhale. The last asana for the day is Reclined Pigeon pose or Supta Kapotasana. Bend your legs and try to bring it close towards your chest. Hold the legs, lift your head and try to bring your head close to the legs. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths and relax. Repeat the same with the other leg. Push the knees backward. Lift your legs. Now with both your hands, push it towards your forehead. Maintain for 5 to 10 breaths. Exhale